I'm going to share with you some of my packing secrets for a weekend in the south of France in the summer. So I'm going to travel in my linen and viscose jumpsuit. Super easy, lovely, very sporty ribbon stripe belt around it, cinching me in. And I'm probably going to take a metallic weave jacket just over my shoulders in case it's chilly in the airport. I've got a little crossbody bag with a scarf, because everything has to have a scarf on it now, and that will take me through airport all the way to a dinner, onto the beach, everywhere. So I love a really super versatile, easy bag for the summer. I've got a little two-piece here, gorgeous fluid pants in crepe de chine and lovely, quite peasant-y top. And those I can either wear the pants with a tank top or a bikini, going to lunch on the beach, or dress it up for the evening, pair of sandals, and I'm done. No summer collection is ever complete without a Amanda Wakeley bias slip dress, and this is no exception. And so I've got the gorgeous scarf print on this one. Could go to the beach for lunch or all the way into the evening. Alternatively, a gorgeous, easy caftan, great over swimwear, beautiful in the evening, either with a little flat or a heel. So that's my little capsule wardrobe for a weekend in the south of France in the summer.